Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 36 for week ending June 12, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 1%, closing at 605.13. It closed right at resistance of the 200-day moving average at 605. The top of the orange channel and the yellow trend line are approaching convergence at around this level as well, which leads me to believe that it will be a key resistance level to break above. As I mentioned in my previous video, the last time Tesla touched the 200-day moving average was back in March of last year, after which it went on a 10-month-long rally to all-time highs. Tesla has been trading closely to the 200-day moving average since May 12, indicating that it is trying to consolidate and form a base of support. If Tesla can break and prove to hold above the 200-day moving average, I think it could be in for a nice bull rally. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 0.3%, closing at 603.59. It popped over 2% early in the day on reports that Tesla China sales actually grew month over month, debunking reports last week that sales had halved in May. However, the gains were later erased, most likely due to the continued sell-off in Bitcoin. On the 2% pop, Tesla retested the yellow trend line at its intraday highs at around 623. It proceeded to drop and close below the 200-day moving average once again. On a positive note, we have a rising MACD. Also, the MACD is currently above the signal line, signaling bullish momentum building up. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 0.8%, closing at 598.78. It ran into resistance of both the 200-day moving average and the top of the orange channel at around 607. The 200-day moving average has been acting as resistance the past 5 trading days. Tesla has made a higher low, as you can see here. We will need to wait and see if it can break above 640 and make a higher high though. On Thursday, Tesla was up 1.9%, closing at 610.12. Going into the Plaid delivery event later today, it broke back above resistance of the 200-day moving average and the top of the orange channel, which both currently lies at around 608. It also tested resistance of the yellow trend line at around 616 at its intraday highs. Tesla has been bouncing above and below the 200-day moving average as it continues to struggle for a clear direction. The reaction to the Plaid event this evening could be telling which way Tesla stock will be headed in the near term. On Friday, Tesla was down 0.04%, closing at 609.89. We had 2 catalysts this week, of which at least one of these events should have gave a nice boost to Tesla stock. However, Tesla stock remained unchanged. The first catalyst was the superior sales numbers out of China on Tuesday, which debunked earlier reports of Tesla China orders dropping significantly in the month of May. The second catalyst was the Plaid delivery event on Thursday, in which Elon announced several exciting features and specs for the new Plaid Model S. Bulls were left disappointed as neither of these events gave a boost to Tesla stock. As a long-term Tesla shareholder, it has been extremely frustrating the past couple of months. However, I remain highly optimistic in the long term. Now, let's look at the chart. Tesla once again running into resistance of the 200-day moving average at 609. It also retested resistance of the yellow trend line at its intraday highs. As I mentioned before, Tesla seems to be consolidating around the 200-day moving average for the past month. In my opinion, the 200-day moving average will prove to hold as support and Tesla will start to rally above this level as it did back in March 2020 when it touched the 200-day moving average and went on to rally to all-time highs over a 10-month period. Not to mention, the MACD is looking bullish as it is upward sloping and above the signal line. Some key resistance levels to look out for in the near term is first, it will need to break above the 200-day moving average at 609. Next, there will be resistance at the top of the yellow trend line at around 617. A break above that level and it will retest resistance of the 50-day moving average at around 653. Finally, the key resistance level to break above is the bottom of the green channel at around 680. A break above that level will have Tesla trading back within the long-term uptrend channel going back to August of last year as shown by the green channel. To the downside, if 609 holds as resistance, we could see Tesla drop to as low as 550. This 550 level is a point of support on the monthly chart where the top of the green channel currently falls at. It also held as support at this level on 3 separate occasions. Also, you should note that on the weekly chart, just above 550 is support of the 50-day moving average, which currently lies at around 560. So this 550 to 560 level is potentially a key support level. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, Tesla will need to break above 609. The next level to watch for above that is 617. A break above that level and we will have resistance at 653. Finally, a break above this level and a key resistance to break above is 680. Bear case, if Tesla fails to break above 609, it will have strong support at the 550 to 560 level. Now, on to Tesla news. Elon Musk tweeted, "Plaid Plus is canceled. No need, as Plaid is just as good." Electric asked Musk to clarify the statement. Musk said Tesla is not seeing a need for a range of more than 400 miles anymore. Quote, "What we are seeing is that once you have a range above 400 miles, more range doesn't really matter. There are essentially 0 trips above 400 miles where the driver doesn't need to stop for restroom, food, coffee, etc. anyway." The biggest difference between the Plaid and Plaid Plus was the 120 more miles of range that the latter was supposed to have. Tesla also said that it would have faster acceleration, but it didn't elaborate on how much faster it would be. Tesla's China-made vehicle sales surged 29% in May. Tesla sold 33,463 China-made electric cars in May, including exports, a 29% jump from April, according to data from the China Passenger Car Association on Tuesday. Tesla's China sales, accounting for nearly a third of its total sales, is closely watched as a sign of the U.S. company's health in its second biggest market, where the company has invested heavily and often changed its own marketing playbook to attract customers. Tesla, which makes its Model 3 sedans and Model Y sports utility vehicles in Shanghai, exported 11,527 China-made vehicles in May. Veritas Analyst says Tesla Energy is gaining ground. He states, "We think investors in residential solar companies should watch Tesla's energy generation and storage segment closely, as it appears to be gaining meaningful strategic advantages in the industry." According to this German survey asking which battery electric vehicle would you recommend, the Tesla Model 3 ranks at number 1 at 84% of people recommending it. Tesla's Plaid delivery event was held Thursday night. Here's what we learned. Tesla Model S Plaid with practically alien tech unleashed, 1,000 horsepower, lowest drag coefficient, and PS5 level gaming. The Tesla Model S Plaid formally made its debut at the company's delivery event at the Fremont factory on Thursday night. The expectations for the Model S Plaid were high in the days leading up to its first deliveries, particularly as Tesla retired the Model S Plaid Plus and raised the Model S Plaid's base price by $10,000. Tonight, we're going to show you the best version of the Model S, says Tesla chief designer Franz. Tesla confirmed that the Model S Plaid would feature its most advanced battery to date. Elon Musk highlighted that the vehicle will have carbon-sleeved rotors, the first of its kind. He noted that mixing carbon and copper is very difficult because they have very different rates of thermal expansion. The Tesla Model S Plaid will feature a single-speed transmission. It's single speed from 0 to 200 miles per hour, Musk said. He also noted that Tesla was able to break the 2-second barrier with the Model S Plaid, quite a feat for a 4-door production vehicle that seats 5 passengers. The vehicle can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Musk also introduced a new and improved heat pump, which he called a HVAC system for the car. It's 30% better cold weather range and requires 50% for cabin heating in freezing condition, he said. With the use of the heat pump, the Model S Plaid would be capable of running at peak power for extended periods of time. Tesla also revealed that the drag coefficient of the Tesla Model S Plaid is 0.208, beating the Lucid Air with a drag coefficient of 0.21, based on tests conducted by Windshare. Tesla software, I think engineering that is practically alien, said Musk about the Model S Plaid's features and details. Elon also introduced a new UI that will roll out in the next software update or later. It includes a new calendar and routes the vehicle based on the places drivers need to go. He also finally agreed to add waypoints for Tesla drivers. Musk also talked a bit about the Plaid's PS5 level performance for entertainment purposes as well. He revealed a clip of Cyberpunk running on the Model S Plaid infotainment system. Safety. The Model S Plaid was built for safety. Musk noted that the Model S Plaid would be faster than any Porsche and safer than any Volvo. Musk noted that Tesla is looking to make the Model S into one of the safest in the world. We think we can get the lowest probability of injury of any car ever tested, said Elon Musk about the Model S. Musk also emphasized that NHTSA's top 5 vehicles with the lowest probability of injuries are Tesla vehicles. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.